Come test drive the 2021 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.